Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. Today I'm going to show you how to make the quickest cookie ever. This is a great Rugelach cookie. I'm using Pillsbury pie crust and it can't be beat. It is so good, so quick and easy. You'll have cookies in no time. Simply unroll one pie crust, flatten just like so. You're gonna spread a very thin layer of butter all over the dough. All you need is 2 tablespoons. I'll be leaving all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. The next thing you're gonna do is mix some sugar and cinnamon. I added some brown sugar as well, and you can use a sugar substitute or no calorie sweetener for this. Sprinkle the cinnamon and sugar all over the circle. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of apricot jam. You can add fig jam or any jam that you like. I'm gonna spread all over as well. Now let's do a zest of 1 lemon to balance all the flavors. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube yet, please do so. Follow me on social media. The links are all in my profile. And the last thing I'm gonna do is add half a cup of chopped walnuts. Spread evenly and start rolling the pie crust. The last thing I do is brush with an egg wash. 1 egg beaten very well with 1 tablespoon of milk or water, it doesn't matter. Brush all over and slice into 1-inch slices and keep it intact. Slice, keep in place, don't move the dough. You're gonna bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. It took 20 minutes in the oven to crisp up and become perfect. And it's gonna ooze a little bit, and that's okay. Wipe the sides just like I did and wait for it to cool completely before serving. And enjoy a very good rugelach that tastes nutty, sweet, and crispy all at the same time. I hope you give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comments box below. And until next time, bon appetit! I make a traditional rugelach dough. Let me know if you need the link. I'll leave it in the description as well if you want to try the traditional rugelach. That takes a little bit more prep and more work, but it's still an easy recipe. Check it out.